And welcome back to my channel Think Simplified. Let's learn Python. Today we will see more about Python interpreter. So let's open the command prompt and type Python. If you type here double dash and version, we'll come to know what is the version of Python installed. See, now yesterday we installed 3.12.4. It is showing the version 3.12.4. Now let us open Python. Yes, this three arrows, the greater than signs is a prompt here. It will continue for every line. We can type help here. Help, open and close bracket. It will display help. Okay, it will display how to use the help module. Now this is in help mode. Okay, we can type the whatever you want to. If you want to help on modules, keywords, symbols and other topics, keywords. Okay, now we will exit from here. Exit, quit is like this. Okay, Python. Right now Python interpreter is the best place to test our programs, whether the function works or no, how whether whatever output we want, whether it is coming or not. Okay, now let us try let us define four integer variables like I1 is equal to 10, right? I2 is equal to 20, I3 is equal to 30, I4 is equal to 40, right? Now we will see some of the operators which used in Python. We have only one the equal to sign we have already seen here. Equal to sign is an assignment operator. It will assign the value given on the right hand side to the left hand side variable, right? So likewise we have double equal to, which will be is equal to exclamation mark and equal to. This is not equal to, this is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to, greater than equal to, this is less than equal to. Okay, we have another thing called, suppose we want to add 2 to the value of I1. Okay, so how we will write is I1 is equal to I1 plus 2, right? Now here we will print and check the value of I1. Print I1, enter. See, now I1 has become 12. Now this we can write it in a different way. Okay, I1 is equal to I1 plus 1. We can write it in a different way. For example, let us initialize I1 to 10, right? Now I1 plus equal to 2. Now study carefully this, I1 plus equal to 2. Okay, I1 plus equal to 2. Now we will check the value of I1, right? I1 has become 12. So we can replace this I1 is equal to I1 plus 2. We can replace this directly. We can write I1 plus equal to 2, that is I1 equal to I1 plus 2, right? Similarly, minus and equal also will work, that is I1 is equal to I1 minus something, right? For example, I1 minus equal to 2. Now how much why I1 should become? I1 should become as 10 because it is already 12 now, right? Let us check here. Print I1. Perfect? Yes. Now the rest others, that plus minus, they are all same. Division, they are all same, right? As used with the other software, other languages. Now let us try to see how the string works. Let us define one name. A1 is equal to Anand. Okay. See, directly we can assign a value of the value to the variable A1. Here we in Python we need not define the type of the variable which we are going to create. Directly we can assign the value and the system will know that this is a string, this is an integer, this is a float, this is an array, this is a list. Okay. Now let us have another variable. A2 is equal to Python, right? Now how to print this? Print A1, it will print what is there in Anand. Okay. Now print A2, it will print Python. Now how about combining these two words, Anand and Python, right? Now print, we will say A1 plus A2. See, directly it will operate on string variables also. A1 plus A2 will concatenate these two strings into one, just like we had strcat in C language. Similarly, we can just directly add. Okay. Now we have seen that there is no gap in between Anand and Python. So A1 plus one gap plus A2, right? So now it has one space has been inserted in between Anand and Python. Now we will see. Now suppose we want the value Anand to be printed in capital letters, that is uppercase. You will see print upper A1. Complete this bracket, enter. Something it is saying error. Now directly if we use the upper function, it won't work. We have to use a string function, right? So print str and upper A1, right? Now it has printed Anand. So these are the string functions we can use: string upper, string lower. Now we'll try to print lower of A1, right? See, the first letter Anand has also become as lowercase, right? So this is how we can use strings. Now we will come back to now we can check is equal to, greater than equal to. How to do it? By using if statement, right? So see, watch carefully how I write the if statement. The if, now we have already defined I1, I2, I3, I4. Okay. Now if I1 is equal to I2, okay, this is the condition, and now we have to put one colon here, right? So no need of using the curly braces like we did in C language and other languages. Here the definition of if is very easy. Just say if and the condition and a colon here. And now in the next line, let us print whether I is equal to I2. Okay. Now here in Python there is we have to maintain indentation, because curly braces are not there, because we cannot club the other statements into the if statement, into one if statement. So we have to give indentation. We have to keep at least one gap here in the next line. Okay. Now let's see, it is continuing, so the 3 dots have come here. That means the statement it is continuing. Now we have to leave one space here, and then start from below the F letter. They will say print, yes, I1 is equal to I2. Okay, enter. Oh, sorry. We'll have to by the pressing the upper arrow, we can see the see the last command given. No. Indentation expected. Now, okay, we have to write it again. This is one of the drawbacks in interpreter. I2, enter, space, print, yes, I1 is equal to I2, complete, and enter. And now press enter again. So now here in this case I1 is not equal to I2, so it has not printed yes, I1 is equal to I2. Now if we do not get if we do not leave a space from the in if statement block, it will show error. Now we will check another small expression, a mathematical expression, like print 100 plus 6 into 3. Okay. Now can you imagine what will be the output? Some will say they will add 100 plus 6, 106 into 3, 106 into 3, 318. Is it correct? Definitely not, because here we have to look at the basic mathematics principle, BODMAS. Brackets first, BODMAS, bracket first, of next D is a division, M is a multiplication, A is addition, and S is a subtraction. So now here multiplication comes first, BODMAS, and then addition, right? So 6 into 3 is multiplied, the value is 18, and 100 is added to that. So it 118 is the correct answer, right? We will have a look at if, else, else if, right? So here we can specify, and for multiple checking of the conditions, suppose there are two conditions, then we have to check whether both are true. We can use the words and, we can use or, and we can use not. Not is exactly opposite of and. Okay. We can write if I1 is equal to I2 and I3 is equal to I4. Okay. If I1 if I1 is equal to I2, you can write it here, and I3 is equal to I4, right? Colon here, we will say print condition true. Now what if condition is false, right? We will say else here. Else here we can give another condition if you want. Otherwise, if there is only one condition, then you can directly put a colon here. Else, enter, again one gap, print, condition is false. Okay, right. Okay, now condition is false has been printed because I1 is different, I2 is different, I3 is different, I4 is different. All four are different. They are not equal. Okay. Now we can have another thing as else if. We have to define it EL and I. ELF, else if, then condition, else if condition, else if condition. Like we can have a ladder of else if, right? Okay. How a Python interpreter works. Now Python has given one IDE which is called as IDLE, IDLE, that is integrated development learning environment, right? So now where it gets installed with Python, so where to find it? Now we will type here Python. Yes, this is where it has been installed. So we will open the file location here. There you will find idle here, right? So let us open this, or otherwise we can create a desktop shortcut. Send to desktop, create shortcut. Now it will be available through this shortcut. Now we will open this. Here two windows can be opened here in idle. See here, one is the idle shell. We will open another shell here, like file. Now we can write program here at once and then execute it. Unlike Python interpreter, wherein every line we type and press enter, it is executed. Okay. So we will have an option file here. We say new file. Here it opens a file editor. Okay, this is the file editor here. Right. Okay, now file new. We will start writing file here. Let us continue with the old this thing. I1 is equal to 10, I2 is equal to 20, I3 is equal to 30, I4 is equal to 40. Right? Now we will check the values of I1, I2, I3, I4 with the if statement. If I1 less than I2, we'll say and I3 is also less than I4. Colon here, enter. Now we have to give indentation here, so print condition is true. Okay. Else colon here, print condition is false. Now if there are any compilation errors, here when we run the program it will show the compilation errors, not now, right? So let us run this now. Now all these statements will get executed at once here in a run option, right? Now select a run option, run module. Now it says source must be saved. Okay, to save, we'll say okay. We have to save this source file first. Okay. We'll save, we'll open 3.12 here. Okay. And save here. Test1.py. Remember, we have to give extension py for Python source files. Now we will save it here. And then now see, it has executed here. Condition is true. Again, if we want, we can make corrections here and execute. Like we'll say now I2 is equal to 5, right? And execute now. Again, it will ask to save the module. You say yes, it will get saved. Now condition is false, it has come. So how simple it is for writing programs and executing it. Unlike Python interpreter, wherein whenever we type any statement, any condition and press enter, it will try to execute it. We can save this file, right? Now test1.py, we have saved it in Python 312 folder. We can open this directly in Python interpreter. Let us see how to do it. Now let us close this, or let us close this and open command prompt here, and we'll say Python test1.py. Directly here it will load this program and execute. See, condition is false, it has come. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.